Hold tension. Slowly. Keep it steady. Good.
Keep tension on that cable.
Almost there. Almost there.
Guide the hook slowly. Zooming in on the detected anomaly, looks like we have a positive identification. A C-5C. It's been here a long time. The calibration's good. Engines are primed. Looks like we're finally ready.
Keep digging around the wing roots. Careful with the nose section. I'm marking heavy corrosion here.
Yeah.
Note the sand accumulation. Let's scan this section of the fuselage next. All right, let's see what's inside. Carefully, brush away the sand. Looks like it's been untouched for years.
Keep tension on that cable.
Almost there. Almost there.
Guide the hook slowly.
Keep it steady, inch by inch. Understood, lifting now. Watch the sand flow under the wing. Perfect, hold it there. Hold tension. Slowly, keep it steady. Good. Keep it steady, down a little slower. Beam looks aligned. Roger. Slow down. Keep it slow, just a bit further. Stop here. Cranes are on standby. Engage the supports. Let's get started. All right, these reinforced sections here and here need the heavy hooks. Copy, attaching hooks now. Check cable tension, make sure it's balanced. Verified, proceeding with the lift. Keep tension, slow and steady. Watch the rear section. Almost there, hold it. All right, team, let's start with this section. Keep the pressure steady. Copy that. Ready when you are. I think the structural damage goes deeper here. All right, shining the light. Keep pushing that hose through here. We're almost there on the left side. Good, let's keep the pace. I've got the damaged bundle.
Okay, here's the replacement.
Thanks, need the strippers now.
Coming right up. Keep it steady.
Be careful with this one, it's fragile.
Got it.
Looks like it might be restorable. All right, slowly now, keep it steady. Watching it, don't let it swing. Clear of the platform. Good work, keep lifting.
Keep rotating it slowly. The tolerances look perfect. Check that connection point. Keep it steady. This section needs to be smooth.
All right, moving up now.
Watch out for sparks. The paint looks ready.
Let's get the guns connected.
Hoses are untangled.
Keep it steady there.
Yeah.
Looks good, smooth it out here. Almost done, just this last bit.
Diagnostics initiated.
Systems online.
Spinning up the turbine. Systems initializing. Checking power flow.
Displays are online. Confirmed.
The primary hydraulic lines here look solid, but let's check the actuators. Copy that. I'll confirm the voltage on that side. Keep rotating it slowly. Right, I've got it.
Yeah.
Almost done here. All right, team, let's look at the lighting systems and the floor rollers. Make sure everything's operational. Checking the floor now. Lights look good from here. Engines ready. Let's do this.
Thrust checks green. Rotation speed confirmed. We have lift.
The readings are stable, she's ready. Excellent work, team. Let's get a final check.
Checks confirmed. Digital displays initialized. Ready for takeoff clearance. Status green across the board. Tower, we are at V1. Rotating. Copy that. ROTATE. Good to go.